Hello traders, Nelly here, and as 2024 is just around the corner, I decided to create this video for all of you who want to make any changes in your trading career or life in general, for all of you who want to level up within the next year. But before we get into it, let me just remind you of our coaching sessions available for all FTMO traders. We are here for you and ready to support you on your trading journey, so don't hesitate to book a session in your client area. And now let's dive into the topic of today's video. With the end of the year, we are often trying to reflect on everything that we have achieved or haven't achieved just yet. We are basically evaluating all our ups and downs within the last year. And if you have a dream to chase in 2024, it's important to organize your thoughts first. Set yourself the correct goals and work towards that vision of the best version of yourself, which is actually much easier said than done, and that's why today I would like to talk about firstly how and why you should create a vision of the person you would like to become. Secondly, how to set goals that will help you to get there. And finally, about why switching your current result orientation to the process orientation may be a game changer for you. Number 1. Future vision of yourself. I'm pretty sure you've already heard this question before. Where do you see yourself in 5 years? But do you know the answer to it? Do you actually even know the answer to where do you see yourself in 1 year? I know these questions may sound pretty annoying, but let's try to figure that out together. So close your eyes and imagine the person you would like to be. Imagine who would you like to become? Imagine what that person is capable of. Where does he, she, or them live? Who's around that person? What does he, she, or them look like? What has that person achieved? What is his, her, or their usual day? What does that person do in their free time? Got it? Write it down. Put it into the words or even pictures. You need a goal and a solid plan first, and also you need to believe that you are able to actually make it. You must believe that you can become that person that is now just in your mind. Then take this vision, and with every decision you'll make, think about what that ideal version of yourself would do. Think about what consequences your actions have and if it's aligned with the idea of who you truly want to become. It's about having a true concept, having a determined plan, and then following it. So, for example, let's say that you would like to be a professional trader, a trader who is disciplined and executes his, her, or their plan flawlessly, as it is supposed to be. Next time, then you feel that urge to make a trade that is not according to your strategy, think about what would that professional trader do? And then act upon it. Number 2, setting the goals. Because the goals are those milestones on your way to becoming that best version of yourself. So, do we set goals that will actually help us to stay on the right path? Think about the best version of yourself. Your goals must be aligned with this vision. You must believe that this is something that you really desire. Now think about how do you differ from that better version at this moment? How can you get closer to that vision? How can you actually turn your vision into reality? Take your time and perhaps take a sheet of paper and think about the specific steps that you will have to take during the journey. Don't forget that your goals must be realistic and achievable. What I mean is that you should set yourself high goals, but not anything that would just create an unnecessary pressure on you. Like a client of mine, Joey, he had a goal to have every single day profitable, and you can probably imagine how it went. Not good. Goals that are mostly out of our hands will likely just create the feelings of frustration. And don't get me wrong, long-term goals that may even scare us a little bit, these are just great. However, divide these big goals into smaller ones. And these smaller ones, these are actually the milestones. I'm just trying to say, be careful. Move in a slow manner, Because trading is a marathon, it's not a sprint. And if you have a sprint mentality, it could just cause you a damage. I understand that you want to get there as soon as possible, but everyone who is in this industry for a longer time will tell you that once you rush the process, you are just setting an extra setback for yourself. Number 3, process orientation. Sometimes we are so focused on these numbers and have a very specific and narrow idea about how things are supposed to be. But when it comes to trading, there are so many unpredictable situations that may happen. Keep that in mind and focus on the things that are in your power, which is following your strategy, respecting your risk management, doing your analysis properly, and to backtest. Do your procedures as you are supposed to do them, and be kind and patient with yourself. At the end of the day, we are all different, unique. Think about what is your future vision. What is that best fit for you? And work towards it. Do not let others distract you from what you want to achieve. Focus on your own achievements and cheer yourself during your journey. So good luck to all of you in 2024, and let us know in the comment section below what are your plans for the new year. Also, don't forget to subscribe and see you soon.